Welcome everybody to this video. In this video I will show you how to watch anime on Crunchyroll. So let's do it. What you need to do, open Crunchyroll first like this. It will open directly on your homepage here. So as you see now, when you open Crunchyroll, it will open directly on your homepage. So how to watch a series or anime, just go and search for the anime that you want to watch, for example, or I would just choose one in the suggest list. I will choose this. If I want to watch, I will scroll this. I will find right now this list. I will choose the the episode. For example, this is all the episode I want. If I want to watch, I will just click here, and then the video it will play. That's all. Don't forget to like and also subscribe, and bye.